2015 WR450 after complete rebuild. Let's see if this thing fires up. Hey, what's up guys, Rado here. So today we're gonna finally hit that magic button on our 2015 WR450 build. Before we do that, we need to make sure that we have all the details necessary for this step. And the most important is the wire harness. All these wires and all the connectors, we need to make sure that all the sensors are plugged in. We need to make sure that we have spark. We need to make sure that our fuel pump is getting power, our kill switch works, our starter button works. All these things need to be connected. So we clean it nicely with a contact cleaner, click everything back together, follow the pictures from when I was taking it apart. Again, I'm keep going back to those pictures, checking everything, making sure that the wire rounding and the connections are exactly same as before when I took this bike apart. And there are several other details I want to finish before we actually go and hit the start button on this WR450. So we're gonna go through the things I think needs to be done before we attempt to start this bike. You might be wondering why I have this old looking sprocket on the bike, and actually this is an old set of wheels that was on the bike before. That's because first I want to break in the bike. I want to ride it my initial 20 minutes, 30 minutes, make sure everything is 100%, and after that we're gonna install the new wheel set with everything brand new. Alright guys, so we have everything is connected, all the wires, everything is there. When we hit the button, listen. The fuel pump comes on, it pressurizes everything. I didn't try to start it yet, I want to have it on the camera. All is in, coolant is in, wires are inside, everything is there. Starter is connected, kill switch is connected. So now the last thing is I need to pray. I always pray before this first start, and today for some reason I am pretty nervous, so let's pray. Alright guys, let's go. I don't know. It's kind of something let's try it hot start. I mean a cold start, whatever you call that thing. Where is it? Where is that thing? Here. It's running! Sandra, come here. my kids heard me screaming. So hey, everything is running. I'm smoking a little bit here because I spilled a little bit of the coolant, but the thing is running. Alright guys, so we calm down a little bit. I opened the door. Let's do it again. Whoop, turn the button on. Alright guys, so she sounds pretty good. I was a little bit nervous that because she didn't want to come on. I had to pull that choke, whatever you call it, on these fuel injected bikes, and after that she fired right up. She's running, holding idle, I can push it in, everything runs. I might need to play with the maps a little bit, maybe get it a little more fuel from the bottom. Maybe it's too lean from the bottom, doesn't want to start without that thing. Anyway, I have the GYTR tuner, I have GYTR ECU, I can play with those things, set it all up that it will run amazing. Right now, sounds healthy, sounds great, everything runs. I'm super stoked. Thank you guys for sticking till the end of this video. Let me know below in the comments how you like it so far. I'm definitely super happy that this thing finally runs. And I guess the next video this thing will be fully done. So this is the last time you see it like this. Next time I'm gonna show you the bike, everything will be finished. But I might do one thing. Next time I show you the video, when everything will be finished, I'm gonna put the whole video together, entire build together, and at the end of the build you will see the final product. We're gonna do it a little bit different this time. So when you see the video next time, it probably will be like 50-minute long. Don't skip it, watch it from the beginning, and you can see the entire project, entire 2015 WR450 from A to Z, and hopefully you will enjoy it. Alright my friends, well that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.